How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. Okay, that's great. Oh, I just received your homework. When did you do your homework? When?
Yes.
When? Con thường làm bài tập về nhà vào lúc nào?
Bữa nay làm
Này,
xong.
con vừa làm xong á. À là con thường hay làm bài tập vào buổi chiều. Buổi tối hay buổi tối?
Chiều.
À chiều. Okay. Uh, Wait a second, con đợi thầy xíu nhé, thầy đang mở bài tập về nhà của con nhưng mà nó đã loát lâu quá. Okay, can you see that? Có nhìn thấy bài tập về nhà của con chưa?
Dạ.
Okay. Eyelash, hair, forehead, bear, mustache. Very good. Ona correct. Eyelash, hair, mustache, hair. What? Oh, we have two hair, forehead. Okay, next. Mustache. His bear is round. Whoa, what is this? Her eyelash is poop. Poop what? Hoàng, her eyelash is her purple. Hoàng, purple. Con biết viết từ purple không?
Dạ không.
Rồi, con ghi giúp thầy nhé. Purple là màu tím. Purple là màu tím. Con ghi xong chưa?
Dạ chưa.
Chưa.
Lấy viết.
Lấy đi. Finish. Okay. Hair is orange. Oh, black. Can you write the black into your book? Con ghi lại từ black nhé. Đen. Black. Đen. Okay. His forehead is pink. Very good. Now, today we move to the new lesson. Okay, can you see the lesson now? Con nhìn thấy bài học chưa?
Dạ thấy.
Thấy rồi, okay. Welcome to High Talk. Okay, now today we'll sing a song first.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Meow. Oink.
No.
Moo.
Moo.
Yes.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say? Woof woof.
Woof woof.
No.
Moo.
No.
Neigh.
Neigh.
Yes.
With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack? Tweet tweet?
No.
Oink?
Yes.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck cluck?
Cluck cluck.
No.
Oink?
No.
Ba?
Ba.
With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow? Moo? Quack quack. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say?
Rooster say.
Ribbit?
Ribbit.
Meow? Cock-a-doodle-doo?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.
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 Yeah, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, repeat after me. Goat.
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 Goat. Goat.
What is mean?
Con dê.
Con dê chính xác.
Goat.
Very good. Goat.
Goat.
Okay. Sheep.
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 What is mean?
Là chú.
Sheep là con gì nhỉ? Cockatoo.
Bò.
Sheep là con gì ta? Con không nhớ thì ghi
Em
vào.
nhớ biết nhưng mà đâu.
Còn đâu rồi ta? E-I-E-I-O. Thấy chưa?
Thấy rồi.
Là con gì nhỉ?
Con cừu. Cừu.
Con cừu.
Con cừu.
Yeah, con cừu. Chick.
Chick.
Sheep. Gà con.
Chính xác.
Chick.
Chick. Rồi, very good. Cow.
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 What is mean?
Con bò.
Con bò, chính xác. Big.
Pig.
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 What is mean?
Con heo.
Yes. Duck.
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 What is mean?
Con vịt.
Con vịt, chính xác. Okay, now can you circle the correct answer? Con khoanh cho thầy đáp án đúng nhé.
Finish.
Yes. Next, a chick.
Finish.
Yes, very good. A sheep.
Finish.
Yes. A cow.
Finish.
A duck.
Finish.
Very good. A goat.
Finish.
Yes. Okay, now can you look and fill the number into the blank? Con điền số vào trong ô trống giúp thầy nhé.
Finish.
Finish. A cow. Chick. Very good. All are correct. Now repeat after me. What animal is it?
What animal is it?
What animal is it?
What animal is it?
What is mean?
Con là gì? Con là cái gì?
Con này là con gì?
Con này là con gì?
Con này là con gì? It is.
It is.
It ear.
It is.
It's a.
It's a.
Rồi. And you read it. What animal is it?
What is a pig?
It's a pig. Very good. Now circle the correct answer.
Finish.
Very good. All are correct. Next. Now you look and answer my question. What animal
What?
is it? It
Is
is.
a sheep.
Yes, it is a sheep. Next, what animal is it?
Is a pig.
It's a pig. What animal is it?
Is a duck.
It's
Duck.
a duck. Duck.
Duck.
What animal is it?
Is a goat.
It's a goat. Now we play a game. What animal is it?
Is a chick.
It is a chick. It is a chick.
Is a chick.
Yes, it's a chick. What animal is it?
Is a chick.
It is. It is.
Is a
Uh,
sheep.
it is a sheep. Very good. Next, what animal is it?
Is a goat.
Okay, it's a goat. What animal is it?
Is a cow.
It's a cow. Very good. Now, let's review what did we learn today. Can you write? Con viết được không? Con viết cho thầy 6 con này nhé. Try it carefully. Viết cẩn thận nha.
Finish.
Okay. Can you write into your book to work? Con ghi vào vở hai từ nhá. Goat, con dê, và duck, con vịt. Ghi xong cho thầy xem với nhá. Con vịt, 2 con thôi, con sai duy nhất 2 con. Con dê và con vịt. Okay. Rồi. So, we move to the structure. What animal is it?
What animal is it?
It is a.
It is
A. It's a.
is a.
Very good. Okay, now we move to next lesson. Okay, can you see my screen? Con nhìn thấy vở của thầy chưa? Trang của thầy chưa?
Dạ thấy.
Rồi, ok. Welcome to High Talk. Yes. Now, repeat after me. D-E-F.
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 Next, D-E-F.
D-E-F.
Okay, now what letter is it?
Is it D? Is it letter D?
Yes, it's a letter D. Can you read this? D-E for
Dog.
desk.
Desk.
And
Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Duck. Yes. Okay, what letter is it?
Is it letter E?
Oh, it's D E. E is for
Egg. Elephant. Elbow.
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 What letter is it?
Is it F?
It's E F. It's a letter F.
Is it letter F?
Okay, F is for
Fin.
fin.
Frog. Fang.
Yes. Okay, now let's clap chant.
Let's clap chant. Dog.
Dog.
Dog, duck, desk, yes.
Duck.
Dog, duck, desk,
Amazing!
Now let's do it together.
Rồi con làm theo nhé. The. Very good.
Dog, duck, desk, yes.
Dog, duck, desk, yes.
Dog. Desk. Duck. Desk. Yes.
Duck,
Duck.
desk.
Desk.
Okay.
Dog, duck, desk,
Amazing!
Okay, next. The.
The.
Dog, duck, desk, the.
Dog. That. Desk. The.
Very good. Next, let's clap chant.
Let's clap chant. Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant, egg, elbow, yes.
Elephant, egg, elbow, Brilliant! Now let's do it together.
Very good.
Elephant, egg, elbow, yes.
Okay. Elephant, egg, elbow. Yes.
Elephant, egg, elbow. Yes.
Very good.
Ele-
Eh, eh. Eh, eh.
Eh, eh. Eh, eh.
Elephant, egg, elbow,
Brilliant!
Elephant, egg, elbow. Eh, eh.
Elephant, egg, elbow. Eh, eh.
Okay. The last one. Bài cuối cùng.
Let's clap chant. Frog. Frog, fin, fan, yes.
frog, fin, fan.
Great job!
Now let's do it together.
Very good.
Frog, fin, fan, yes.
Frog, fin, fan. Yes.
Frog, fin, fan. Yes.
Very good. Very good.
Frog, fin, fan.
Great job!
Fin, fan.
Frog, fin, fan.
Yeah, very good. Now listen, write a number. Con nghe và đánh số nhé. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, let's go.
2. Listen and write the numbers. Number 1.
Dog, dog.
Number 2.
Elephant, elephant.
Number 3.
Egg, egg.
Number 4.
Elbow, elbow.
Number 5.
Duck, duck.
Number 6.
Fan, fan.
Number 7.
Fin, fin.
Number 8.
Desk, desk.
Number 9.
Frog, frog.
Finish.
Rồi. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. Now can you march?
Fish. egg. Duck. Finish.
Finish. Very good. Now, can you write the letter? Con ghi từ đầu tiên của các từ đi. Okay, very good.
Finish.
Finish. Elephant, dog, frog, fin, dog. Very good. All are correct. Now you circle the correct answer.
Finish.
Finish. Dog, frog, elephant. Great job. Next, circle the correct answer.
Finish. Finish.
Okay. Next.
Finish.
Okay. Dog, elbow, fan.
Fan.
Okay, next. Now you write the correct letter in the blank. Điền từ còn thiếu vào trong ô trống.
Finish.
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 Yes. Okay, frog, duck, elbow. Great. Next.
Finish.
Okay, egg, fin, desk. Very good. Now, can you find for me which one begin with the same sound? Con tìm cho thầy các cặp mà bắt đầu bằng cùng một từ nhé.
Hả?
Không, tìm cho thầy các cặp bắt đầu bằng cùng một từ. Ok, ví dụ này. Dog bắt đầu bằng chữ D, desk bắt đầu bằng chữ D, thì con khoanh cả hai cái lại.
À, con biết rồi.
Tìm những từ mà bắt đầu bằng cùng một từ. Con khoanh lại.
À, con biết rồi.
Ok, ok. Oh, no, no, no. Khoanh. Con chỉ cần tìm và khoanh thôi. Yes. Very good. What? No, vẽ đi. Yes. Very good. That's correct.
Finish. Finish.
Yes, great job. Next, circle the correct letter.
Listen and circle. 1,
Farm. Farm.
2,
Duck. Duck.
3,
Elephant. Elephant.
Finish.
Okay. Very good. Now you look, listen, and read. Okay, now listen.
look and listen. Read along. 1,
I see an egg.
2,
I have a fan.
3,
It is a desk.
4,
It is an elephant.
Sight words. I see have.
Okay. Okay, Hoàng, can you read it for me? I see.
I see an egg.
Very good. I
have a
a
Fan.
fan. Very good. It is.
a desk.
Okay. It
It is an elephant.
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 Elephant. Okay. Now, we learn some new structure. I see an.
I see an.
I see an elephant.
I see an elephant.
I have a.
I have a.
I have a desk.
I have a desk.
I have a fan.
I have a fan.
It is a.
A dog.
It's a duck.
It's a duck.
It's a.
It's a frog.
It's a frog. Very good. It's an.
It's an egg.
Okay, it's an egg. Okay, now can you tell me I see an.
I see an.
Ấn gì? Con biết cái này không?
Dạ con không biết.
Ok, giờ con ghi giúp thầy nhé. An envelope.
Envelope.
Envelope có nghĩa là phong bì. Envelope là phong bì. Rồi, ok. I see an.
I see an elephant.
I see an elephant. Yes.
I see an elephant.
Very good. I have a.
I have a desk.
I have a desk. Rồi. I have a
Fork.
I have a fork. Very good.
It is an egg. Is an
It's
egg.
an egg. Okay. It's a
Door.
It's a door. Okay. Next is a
Is a fan.
It's a fan. Very good. Okay, that's it. So our lesson today. Now we play a game. Okay, some small game. You need to show me the difference between two pictures.
Finish.
Yeah, finish. Great job. Oh, not correct. Next, we play another game that is what goes together. Okay, number
1.
one and number
6.
number 6.
Number 4.
4. Oh, hurry up. We have only 30 seconds left.
Number 14.
14.
Number 10.
10.
Number 4.
4. Very good. Okay, time out.
Number 5.
5.
Number 6.
6. Okay, it's time out. Next,
Number
in the
2.
next lesson we will do. Okay, it's time out. Hết giờ mất tiêu rồi. Thôi để buổi sau chơi tiếp nha. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye Hoàng. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.